Happy Teacher's Day po. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Krisha. We love you so much, ma'am. Sorry po kung nausap po kayo. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Krisha. Long live St. Pius.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Krisha. Sorry kung pasakay mo minsan. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Krisha! Hindi ulit pa.
Take 2. Go.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Krisha! Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Krisha! Thank you po sa lahat. Grateful po kami na naging teacher namin kayo. Hope you have a delightful day. Thank you, ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Krisha! Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Krisha. Thank you po sa lahat ng pagtutulong niyo sa amin, lalo na sa aming akas na sinasabihan niyo kung mas igihan namin para maabot ang aming pangarap. We are all thank you to have you as our advisor. Thank you!
Happy Mother's Day, Ma'am Krisha!
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Krisha! Rodrigo! Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Krisha! Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Krisha! Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am!
Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Krisha!
But wait, there's more.
Hi Ma'am Krisha, Happy Teacher's Day. Sana masaya ka today. And to St. Lawrence, huwag niyo masyadong stressin si Ma'am Krisha. And patikim ng regalo niyang chocolates today. Health.